Hey guys, first I'm starting off with hydrating and wiping my face. After, I'm going in with a few layers of Elmer's glue and laying them down flat with a makeup brush. Right after I allow them to dry, I'm removing the excess with a Q-tip and a wipe. Next, we'll be powdering our eyebrows down. Then I'll be going in with the lighter green from the face paint palette. As a tip, I would suggest using a bigger flat brush for a faster process. Now I'm using a makeup sponge to even out the face paint. Right after, I'm going in with a fluffy brush and baby powder to set the face paint in place. And after 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to dust off the excess powder. Afterwards, I'm going in with a dark green eyeshadow for the cactus lines. Also, I'm making sure the lines fit my face. Now I'm sketching out the wing outline for the cut crease, and I'm adding the same eyeshadow to my under eye. Then we'll be using eyeshadow primer to prep our eyelids. Right after, I'll be using a yellow eyeshadow and a hot pink eyeshadow for the cut crease. And then I'll be blending the two sides together. After, I'm going to be using a sparse fine tip brush and face paint for the dotted highlights. Another tip is to make sure the highlights are sparse. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. blush palette and using the pink and red blush over my cheeks, nose, and chin. Afterwards, I'm going in with eyeliner and mascara. Right after, we're going to be going in with white eyeliner and following the outline from before. Now I'm going to be putting on lashes and layering two of them on top of one another. And then I'm going to be adding white liner to my lower lash line. The last step is to use nude matte lipstick and pink lip gloss, and then you're done. Hi guys, I am back. I did my lashes, my lips, and my hair off camera. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Links to my other socials down below. And see you in my next video. Bye!